Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Ubak John Antonius Lingdo, ubolong kurtong jong keseng Kongres na North Long Constituency, ulako ba keseng Kongres kan saya lamhi ya ke Sorkar hakani ke kenti, hadian ke election, Namarba bagi Paidbah kilanya, kila kedang hishon ya ke kenhun, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, kebabat yulakam sencar lasan senam kenti. Hakijing keren bigilat patai kubur hadian bula pendap ya ke jingtap kerteng, ha office jong Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District, ubak JA Lingdo ulong, maka jingjob jong keseng Kongres kan omlong tang North Long Constituency, hendak wat hakiwi-kiwi ru ki constituency.
Yang sitting ambil pemerintah, mereka kamera juga kalau sisin bangan job ya kini collection kini kamera tengah bantrai ya ke constituency, bat ya kiki bidang duna constituency dengan tray sistem, bat kebaru dengan haban pedro ya ke interest yang ke state ni baru kau. Hindi bangi expect kat kom ki report ki bang yo na parlok na baru sudah. Easily in cross ya ke 17, 18 in cross. First after that then you will see. Kata Thikna kan tiap menginform mengi untuk kawan tu slide. Namarba ki Paidbah jong ka state baru kuwe, kila Ngiah kila kedang ya ke esensial jong kini ke MBA baru sansna. Tak kata cuma. Paidbah jong 17 not kalau dep expect lupa bagi jing job mentah kasim kan mana ndai tangan ni. You will get more seat in the state this time. Kemudian jing affair tambah mentah kedai ke bagi Paidbah kila kemen plat hadian mengemit ke BJP. Bat katahi kalau dia message bagi Paidbah ki su apa setengah ka artinya tarik makin heavy di bawah. Paidbah juga 17 not sila ada berai lupa bayau bajil untuk ada one congress di parlimen ini.
Certificate, but he file kum schedule tribe certificate, kum schedule tribe number. Nakuha manong kani ba ki khasi jantia ki garo kedai ke matrilineal society, but ki bon ki constituency ki ba manta ki Sorkar kalau le bakla baka ai schedule tribe ki gitu juga ai jatpa ki bayo kmir har but ki bomyo e khasi tribe certificate ki bon hai constituency mata the returning officers have to be very careful to see that the provision of the lineage act is not violated by these candidates who are giving the surname of their fathers because they belong to maternal society, they belong to the clan of their mother, but however they have given the clan of their father. They are to be denied, their scheduled tribe certificate is void. It is totally void. That is why I am requesting the returning officers to take special care about such candidates.